Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to Tree Classroom. Midende Kwejo. Now, today we are continuing our counting in tree. In the last lesson, we learned how to count from 0 to 20 in tree. And you realize that it was fun and easy to be able to count from 0 to 20. So, having done that, in between 20 and 30 is saying 20 and counting from 1 to 9. Then we'll get 29, we move to 30. So today we are counting in tens from 10 to 100. But before we continue, if this is your first time watching this channel, please support us by subscribing, giving us thumbs up, and also share. So let's start from 10. So 10 in tree is edu, edu, edu. 20 aduonu, 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 aduonu. Now 30 aduasa, aduasa, aduasa. 40 aduanan, 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 aduanan. Now 50 aduonum, 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 aduonum. Now 60 aduosia, 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 aduosia. 70 aduoson, aduoson. So together, aduoson, aduoson. 80 aduowotwe, aduowotwe. So together, aduowotwe, aduowotwe. Now 90 aduokron, 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 aduokron. Now 100 is oha, oha. So together, oha, oha, oha. Good. I know you practice along. If you have not subscribed, please support us by subscribing to this channel.